Samsung has reached another milestone. The Galaxy S25 series has become the fastest-selling flagship in South Korea, with 1 million units sold in just 21 days. This achievement surpasses the record set by the Galaxy Note 10, which took 25 days to hit the same number. Launched on February 7, 2025, the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have quickly gained massive popularity, exceeding expectations. But what's driving this high demand? A major factor is the combination of design, performance, and Samsung's latest Galaxy S. This time, the company has made significant internal upgrades, and users seem to be enjoying the new AI-powered features. Another key reason is the Galaxy AI Subscription Club, which allows customers to upgrade their devices more conveniently, boosting sales even further. Among the 1 million units sold, half of the buyers chose the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This doesn't come as a surprise, as the Ultra model has consistently been a favorite due to its high-end specifications. The S25 Ultra stands out with its powerful new processor, improved cameras, and titanium frame, making it the top choice for premium smartphone users. The most popular colors for the Ultra model are titanium white silver and titanium silver blue, while silver shadow and ice blue are leading the sales for the standard S25 and S25 Plus. Initially, there were some concerns about the S25 series. Many thought that the similarities to last year's S24 lineup could affect sales. Others worried about the S Pen experience, charging speeds, camera performance, and potential overheating issues. However, despite these concerns, Samsung has once again shown that even small refinements paired with effective marketing can lead to remarkable success. This record-breaking sales performance is a big achievement for Samsung, especially in its home market. Selling 1 million units in just 21 days highlights how well the combination of premium hardware and AI-driven software is resonating with buyers. When compared to the previous Galaxy S24 series, the S25 lineup is performing much better, as the S24 series took about a week longer to reach the same milestone. While Samsung has not yet released complete global sales numbers, early reports suggest that some color variants of the S25 series are already selling out in international markets, including the US. One interesting trend is how well the S25 Ultra is performing compared to the other models in the series. Similar to last year's S24 Ultra, the latest Ultra model is leading in sales, making it the most preferred choice among buyers. Since it comes with the highest profit margins for Samsung, this success is a great sign for the company. Although the S25 Ultra is the best-selling model, the standard S25 and S25 Plus are also seeing strong demand. However, in global markets, the sales distribution may be more balanced, as many buyers may opt for the more affordable models. Another key factor behind the success of the S25 lineup is Samsung's pricing strategy. Despite the upgrades, the company has kept prices in line with last year's models. This approach has made the new devices an attractive option for users considering an upgrade. With powerful hardware, AI-driven features, and competitive pricing, the S25 series offers excellent value. Samsung is not stopping here. There are rumors that a fourth model may be added to the S25 lineup in April, potentially driving even more sales. While the global sales figures are yet to be fully revealed, one thing is clear: the Galaxy S25 series is off to an impressive start. Breaking records in South Korea is a strong indication that these devices could dominate the global market as well. As demand continues to grow, Samsung is expected to build on this momentum with further improvements. Right now, the S25 Ultra is leading the charge, standing out as the most popular model. If you're thinking about upgrading, the Galaxy S25 lineup has something for everyone, whether you prefer the top-tier experience of the Ultra or the balanced performance of the standard models. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates.